These are special epilepsy patients that have these electrodes in their head. So these are very invasive recordings that we're capturing, like hundreds of structures, from deep structures in the brain to peripheral. And we're from each area, we're capturing like a population activity of neurons. So gave us this really unprecedented access to human brain while they gamble. So what our study was about is trying to estimate that internal feeling of luck from their behavior, and then linking that internal, what we call internal bias, to brain activity. All the areas that are colored across our 10 subjects, we had an electrode there. We actually had massive coverage. So it's literally like whole brain recordings across our population. When we saw this figure, when we actually overlaid our findings on these brain images, that's when we saw right-left split. We didn't know what was happening until we plotted it. And that's when we discovered, oh my God, this is an interesting lateralization effect. And what we basically found is that we actually, based on this estimating what's inside, like this internal bias, we can, one, explain irrational behaviors, and that particular internal bias is encoded in the brain in the following way. If that bias is really high, I might be feeling really lucky and I'll take more risks. Then that's reflected by my right side of the brain being hyperactive in very high frequency rhythms all over the right side of the brain. So if I have that activity, I'm more likely to take risks. But if I have that activity on the left side of the brain, I'm actually going to be much more conservative. So it's like the devil and the angel on your shoulders. This guy's telling you, do it, bet high. This guy's saying, no, don't do it. And that's basically what we found.